Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Feelfunn 1.1 Cu.ft mini freezer. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Small size and large capacity. The 1.1 Cu.ft mini freezer features a compact design, 18.6, depth, 17.5, width, 19.2, height, inches, that fits easily into kitchens, dorms, or RVs. Its adjustable shelves allow flexible use, store whole boxes of ice cream or bulk seafood, or neatly organize breast milk and frozen foods, offering large storage in a small footprint. 7 grade adjustable temperature. This stand-up freezer features a 7-level adjustable thermostat, -7.6 degrees Fahrenheit to 6.8 degrees Fahrenheit or -22 degrees Celsius to -14 degrees Celsius, for easy temperature control. Levels 1 to 7 range from warmer to colder, ideal for meats, ice cream, and more. The integrated design with upgraded sealing enhances cold retention, reduces frost, and simplifies cleaning for easy use. Energy saving and low noise. This countertop mini freezer uses a high-efficiency, low-energy compressor, consuming only 0.66 kWh per day and delivering fast cooling while saving energy. Operating under 40 decibels, quiet enough for bedrooms or offices. The food-grade interior ensures safe, hygienic storage, combining efficiency, quiet operation, and health in this compact freezer. User-friendly design. This small freezer upright features a reversible door that allows left or right opening, fitting perfectly against walls or in corners to suit different room layouts. Adjustable leveling legs keep it stable on uneven floors. The top ergonomic handle allows easy access without bending, combining flexible placement with everyday convenience. Fits any space. This small upright freezer's compact size and sleek modern design easily fits various settings, from kitchen countertops and dorm corners to RVs, office pantries, basements, or garages. It precisely adapts to available space, offering flexible freezing solutions while combining practicality with style. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.